First, open up your Photos application on your device. After that, select Photos. You have the option to select photos either by date or individually, depending on your preference. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner. Next, click on Download. After that, the photos will be downloaded as a zip file to your computer. You can then extract the files and save them to your external hard drive or computer. Now open up the file folder. After that, click on this folder. Now right-click on it and then click on Extract All. Now click on Extract. Here you can view your photos. Next, go to your web browser. After that, click on your profile in the top right corner. Next, click on Manage your Google account. After that, click on the Data and Privacy option on the left sidebar. Next, on the Data and Privacy page, scroll down, and here you will find the Download Your Data option. Simply click on that option. After clicking Download, you will see all available Google services. You can download data from any of these services. Now simply deselect all services and locate Google Photos if you only want to download photos. After that, scroll down and click on Next Step. Next, you can choose between exporting once or exporting every 2 months for a year. After that, select the file type and size. Next, you need to select the option to send the download link to your email. The download will then be sent to your email inbox. Once done, now click on Create Export. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.